Dear students, in the last lecture we have seen motivation of the hacking. Today we will see historical hacking techniques. So, which are the historical hacking techniques in the past that we will see one by one. First is open sharing. So, when the internet is originally developed, the intent is or the motivation is to open sharing of the information to everyone, and the information is available to everyone in the world. Therefore, most of the system were configured to share the information. In case of Unix system, the NFS is used, and the NFS allows one computer to mount the drive, and the drives is shared by all the systems on the network. Open file sharing might be considered a serious configuration mistake instead of vulnerability. Unix systems are not the only system to have file sharing vulnerabilities, but Windows is also allowed the file sharing system. In we can share the folder in Windows also, and all the systems in the network can access that folder. So this is possible in the Windows as well as Unix as well as Windows 2000 NT in all operating systems. Then bad passwords. As we know, the most common method that is used for authentication is passwords. Passwords are still the most common form of authentication. Since passwords are the default authentication method on the most system, using them does not incur additional cost. An additional benefit of the password is that user understand then how to use them, but it should not be a short password, because if there is a short password, then a hacker can guess that password by brute force the password. If the password is of only 2 character longs, then there are 676 combination, but still the hacker can guess your password. So your password should be strong. The other types of weak passwords are simply use your name, simply use your birth dates, or reverse the string. So these are the examples of the weak password. But your password should be strong. It should be long. It contains numbers as well as special characters also. Then unwise programming. So hackers have taken the advantage of unwise programming many times. Unwise programming means leaving the things as it is, or leaving a backdoor open so that programmer can change that program anytime. Okay, so this is not the feasible thing. Here the hacker can hack this programming by entering it through the back door. Most recently, the boom in the website programming has created a new category of unwise programming. This new category is to do with the online shopping, and here all the information is entered, like the item number, quantity, even the price. So hacker can hack this very easily. Then next technique is hacking technique is social engineering. Social engineering, it is the non-technical means, and it is very common nowadays. Here, instead of using vulnerabilities or exploit scripts, the hacker use the human nature. The most powerful weapon for the hacker is wishing to perform the social engineering is a kind of voice or ability to lie. Here the hacker may pretend that he is the employee, and he may speak in the voice of the employee. In some cases, the hacker will pretend to be the employee and call the technical support and says that I forgot the password, so please tell me my password or anything. Or if the hacker wants to access the PC of the technical support, then he or she may ask the employee to change the password of his own choice. So these are the examples of hacker attempting to gain information and access to a system using a single phone call. Okay, as we know, for the banking system also phone calls are there, and they ask for the OTPs and all that thing. So these are the types of the social engineering. Then denial of service means deny the use of the resources to the legitimate users. Then the resource may be your computer system, your application, or any type of resource. Okay, so that is the one type of hacking technique, that is denial of service. If denial of access to system means the system is turned off by the hacker. Denial of access to the application means the application is corrupted by the hacker. So these are the hacking techniques.